Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up phone memory space on Android. So let's start. First open Google Play Store. Now on the search bar type in HDMade. This is a system cleaning app. This app is completely free to download. So download this app and open it right now. This is the home screen of the app. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and tap on Quick Access. Now tap on Scan at the bottom of the screen. Now tap Next. Now if you want to allow the permission, then tap on Allow, otherwise tap on Skip. When scanning is done, tap on Run Now at the bottom of the screen. And tap on Run. Here you will see all the options have been freed up except one. If you tap on the trash icon, it says it requires the HDMate Pro version. Now tap on three bars on top left corner again. And tap on Duplicates. Now tap on the green button on bottom right corner. And it is searching for duplicates. And here is the search results. Now to free up, long press on the search results. And then tap on the trash icon on bottom right corner. But you have to look out if it requires HDMate Pro or not. And that's how you can free up space on your Android device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.